Hello, this is Mr. Palomares. Now that we have set up our Pacman game, it goes through the maze, but it goes through the walls. So we need to fix that. Make sure that it doesn't go through the boundaries that it's not supposed to go to. And to do that, we have one way to do it. Let me put this one so right here. Try to organize your box. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the following. I'm going to use if statement. For example, if um, I'm going to put this one here, I'm going to start with the move up. But basically, if Pacman touches the blue area, and I'm going to be specific right here, I'm going to click on this tool and select the color that I want to be really specific on the color and basically double check that you recognize that color. But if it's touching that area, it's going to go back 10 steps. Okay, so it's not going to go beyond, it's going to go back, like bounce back. And then else, once again, if there's no boundary and there's no color, it's going to go through. All right, so let's test it. So we're going to go up, we're going to go up here, and you see it doesn't go through. You see? So we're going to do the same thing for all of these other ones. We're going to basically remove everything that we've done. So far, so good. And now we need to be more specific to make sure that it's obviously not going through the wall. So that's um, one of them. I'm going to just make the duplicates. And then I'm going to fix directions. So it's right here. And then let's check. So this is moving up. I got moving up. This is moving down, so I need to select the direction, move it down, and then I have move to the left right here, pointing to the left, and then I'm moving to the pointing to the right. Okay, so that's what I have. So now let's test it. If I go down, it doesn't go through. If I go up, it doesn't go through. If I go right, it doesn't go through. I'm gonna have to go up a little bit and then go right. Well, I have to make the fragment a little smaller. Okay, but it doesn't go through. There you go. Right there. A little lower. Right there. Okay, so yes, I might have to make my Pac-Man a little smaller. So I don't know, maybe number three here. It might be too small, but I don't know. Maybe number four. Yeah. So there you go, number four. Once again, there you go. Reduce it. There you go. There you go, it's gonna bounce. All right, so that's all we want. So once again, that's the solution. Also, when we start the program, we want to start in a certain position. So I'm gonna put it right here where I want it to start, and then I'm gonna go to this block. Let me start the program right here, and then I'm gonna get go to X and Y. See, I already placed the Pac-Man in the position I wanted, so it has the X and Y coordinates already there. And I also wanna make sure that, let me see, it's pointing to the direction, uh, pointing to the right. So it looks like it's gonna start right here. You see, pointing to the right. So it's gonna start looking at that. So if let's say I move the Pac-Man somewhere, um, and then I click on start the program, it starts always in that direction. Okay, so once again, so far what we've done, we have basically uh, make the Pac-Man I go through the walls. Um, there you go. And when we happen to, let me double check on this one. I don't think I fixed that one, so let me double check. All right, so that was the thing that was going right. So left and right. Now I got all of it. So let me double check. There you go. Right. So it seems like it's working. There you go. And once again, once I start the program again, my Pacman goes clear in the middle. Okay, so once again, this is one way to make sure that it doesn't go through the walls. Also, maybe start organizing these blocks. Let me see, I think this is one way to do it. Well, actually, that's the center. It's going to center the blocks. And this is what we have right now. Okay, we're going to continue working mostly in this other block because the next thing that we're going to do is set up the pellets or the yellow balls to once again start eating them and start collecting coins. So get ready for that. Thank you very much.